Today sa ating mabuting balita, one of the key points is radical inclusivity. Kasi magtataka ka why Jesus dined with tax collectors and sinners. Sabi niya, I have not come to call the righteous but sinners. Our passage invites us to embrace the inclusive love of Christ. Huwag tayong magdalawang isip, lumapit at tumugon sa tawag ni Jesus dahil tingin mo makasalanan ka or you are not worthy. Let us remember na Levi responded to Jesus' call immediately with no hesitation. He did not think about how he was as a tax collector. He just followed Jesus wholeheartedly. Tulad ba ni Levi, are you ready to respond to Jesus' call? G ka ba?